Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dual-run capacitor in this Goodman central air condensing unit, you will need a 5/16" nut driver and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin, shut off the power to the unit. You can do this by removing the fuses from the disconnect box or switching off the circuit breaker. Shut off the power to the furnace as well. Use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the two lower screws, securing the control box access cover. Loosen the two upper screws directly above the access cover so you can pull the cover down to remove. You should release the potentially stored electrical charge in the capacitor to avoid injury by placing the flathead screwdriver across each set of terminals. Avoid touching the metal portion of the tool when doing this. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the capacitor, then disconnect all 4 wires. Now use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the screw to loosen the mounting strap so you can remove the old capacitor. To install the new dual-run capacitor, attach the purple and red wires to the common terminal, indicated by the letter C on the capacitor. The brown wire to the fan terminal, and the yellow wire to the Herm or compressor terminal. Position the capacitor behind the mounting strap and rethread the screw to secure the strap. Reposition the access cover and replace the 2 lower screws to secure. Now tighten the 2 upper screws. Restore power to the unit and to the furnace, and the central air condensing unit should be ready for use.